Alright guys, check it out. I got a bike rack in here. Gonna quickly show you guys what's going on to this bike rack. So I got this really cheap. It was like 180 or something like that. There's a problem with this. The key is missing. So on this bike rack, it's not bad. A little bit of scratch, but overall it's 8 out of 10. The key is missing. The owner of this bike rack can't find the key. I know that there's a code in here. This was a N147. You can get a key from eBay or Amazon. Make sure when you order, you can get that code. You can buy just the key. But in my case, I got a kit here that gonna replace everything. It's a 2-pack. So what's in here is a 2 keys, 2 cylinder. I opened this already. And then there's a plain key. This key right here, I'm gonna show you what this is all about. Here's the 2 keys right there, and then the 2 cylinder. So it's a 2-in-1 in one package. This cost me like 65 bucks plus tax. It's not that bad. We're gonna change this dead lock right there. It's no use anymore. The good thing about this Thule here, it's original, has a part number. It's the original one, came from made in Belgium, so it's pretty good, authentic. There's a Thule word right there on the key, and there's the code N242. And the good thing about this is there's no code on the cylinder here. Look at this, the cylinder is plain James, no code. So if you've seen one of these in my car, you can't get a duplicate key because it's plain. There's no code on that one. Same thing on the other side. You can't just order one online. It's all right here. All right, I'm gonna show you this key right here, how this thing works. So basically, before you start putting that key, you just put a little bit of a 3-in-1 oil in here, just a little drop. Same thing on this side right here, just a little drop, just to lube it up. Get that tumbler's exercise. I did this one already. It was tough. It won't even go inside, so I had to like wiggle it up. So just put that key in like that, and then you pull it out just like that. So basically what holds this thing down is the last tumblers right here that sticks out more. That's what's hold this cylinder inside the housing. So when you put this key in, it will drop, and you can pull it out just like that. There you go. All right, so let's put the new one in. Normally, if you want to put a little bit of lube in here, that'll be perfect. Okay, let's put this in the hole. There you go. Lock, unlock, lock, unlock. So you can't pull it out. You can't pull the cylinder out because this is the real key that we're using. If you put the dummy key, there you go, you can pull it out. See, the dummy key is what caused that thing to come out. So there you go. There. There you go. Perfect. There you go. It's installed, ready to go. We got the new key. This is just a spare dummy key. When you're trying to replace the cylinder again, just keep that in the box. Here's the old one in the box. Perfect. All right, so let's break it down how much this bike rack cost us. 180 for the bike rack, and 70 for the cylinder kit. So that's about total 250 on the budget on this. And if I want to sell it, I could probably sell it to like 380 or 340 minimum. You can get a fresh, it depends of how many bike this thing can hold. This one is 4. Look at that. 2 and 2. This will hold 4. So it's like 50 bucks every bike holder you can put in this thing. So it's almost 400 bucks if you want to sell this here, or lucky you might get 400, or it could be 380, 360, you know. So that's not bad. I got one already on my GMC Terrain, so I'm gonna put this one up for sale maybe in the next couple weeks. See how there's a little scratch right here? That's not good because it's showing to the back when you mount this thing on the back of your vehicle, and right there too as well. So I was thinking of peeling this off, put a brand new one. So if you guys seen one, I'm trying to look for one on eBay or Amazon Prime to get one of these. I can't find that exact same letters. So if you guys seen one, or you know somebody that makes one, put a link down on the comment below. I was gonna purchase one in and change this right here. That's it.